The mighty hummingbird beats its wings up to 80 times per second, generating a whirlwind of air that helps it hover in midair. These tiny creatures are capable of flying backwards, upside down, and even in midair. Their ability to hover is due to a unique wing motion that creates a vortex of air above and below their wings. By manipulating the air around them, hummingbirds can generate lift and thrust, allowing them to fly with incredible agility. In fact, the hummingbird's wings move so fast that they create a miniature tornado above their heads. But that's not the strangest part. Scientists have discovered that hummingbirds can also fly through dense fog and smoke without losing their sense of direction. This is made possible by their incredible visual acuity, which allows them to detect even the slightest changes in light and color. Their eyes contain a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum, which helps them see in low-light conditions. This layer acts like a mirror, reflecting any available light back onto the retina, allowing the hummingbird to see in near darkness. Imagine being able to see in a world where the sun is barely above the horizon. It's a truly remarkable ability. But how do hummingbirds manage to navigate through dense fog and smoke? The answer lies in their highly developed sense of spatial awareness, which allows them to detect even the slightest changes in air pressure and temperature. This sense is so acute that hummingbirds can detect the presence of a single grain of sugar in a large bowl of water. Their ability to detect subtle changes in their environment is due to the presence of tiny sensors on their beaks and feet. These sensors are so sensitive that they can detect even the slightest vibrations in the air, allowing the hummingbird to pinpoint its location with incredible accuracy. It's like having a built-in GPS system that never loses signal. It's truly amazing. In fact, scientists have discovered that hummingbirds can even detect the presence of a single insect in a large field. This is made possible by their incredible auditory abilities, which allow them to detect even the slightest sounds in the air. Their ears contain a unique structure called the cochlea, which is capable of detecting sounds at frequencies as high as 1.6 gigahertz. To put that into perspective, the highest frequency that humans can hear is around 20 kHz, a tiny fraction of what hummingbirds can detect.
So what does this mean for us? Can we learn from the incredible abilities of hummingbirds?
The answer is yes. By studying the unique biology and behavior of hummingbirds, we can gain insights into how to improve our own senses and abilities.
For example, scientists have discovered that the hummingbird's ability to see in low-light conditions can be replicated using specialized cameras and sensors.
Cameras and this technology has the sensor's potential to revolutionize fields such as medicine, agriculture, and surveillance. And that's not all. The hummingbird's incredible sense of spatial awareness can also be used to improve navigation and mapping systems. Imagine being able to navigate through a dense forest with ease, using a device that can detect even the slightest changes in air pressure and temperature. It's a truly mind-blowing ability that could have a huge impact on our daily lives. But what about the impact of hummingbirds on the environment? As it turns out, hummingbirds play a crucial role in pollination and seed dispersal, making them a vital component of many ecosystems. Their ability to fly through dense fog and smoke allows them to reach areas that other birds cannot, making them essential pollinators. In fact, what can we do to help species in some protect these areas? Incredible creatures. This is a staggering figure, and one that highlights the importance of hummingbirds in maintaining healthy ecosystems.
So what can we do to help protect these incredible creatures?
One way is to plant hummingbird-friendly flowers and plants in our gardens and parks. By providing a source of food and shelter, we can help support local hummingbird populations and promote their health and well-being. Another way is to reduce our carbon footprint and help mitigate the effects of climate change. Hummingbirds are highly sensitive to changes in temperature and air quality, making them an important indicator species. By reducing our impact on the environment, we can help create a more sustainable future for hummingbirds and other wildlife. In conclusion, the hummingbird is an incredible creature that continues to inspire and amaze us with its unique abilities and adaptations. From its ability to hover in midair to its incredible sense of spatial awareness, the hummingbird is a true marvel of nature.
By studying and learning from these incredible creatures, we can gain insights into how to improve our own senses and abilities and promote a more sustainable future for all.
We can gain fascinating. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this and join our journey of discovery.
Subscribe to explore more amazing discoveries and join our journey of learning.